How to use the ITOUCH 24 with the ITOUCH Electrode Pads. So this is the unit over here, the ITOUCH 24. As you can see, there's a button on the side. If you keep it in for 1 second, you'll see the screen will light up. It goes on default A and default on mode number 1. When you take in the cable, you're going to notice that the one end will be connecting into the unit over there. You're then going to take the splitting end and connect 1, 2. Taking the second cable, we just connect it onto the extra large pads and then connect it into B. And then going to take the medium sized pads, which is connected to A. I'm then going to place it onto my arm. I'm then going to take the extra large pads, which is connected to B, and place it on my forearm. So on the ITOUCH 24, meaning there are 24 modes, you can easily press onto the M button to navigate and scroll through the different modes by pressing the M on top. Inside in the user manual, you look under notes and functions. You'll see a brief description in each mode and also what they're good for. The next step is increasing the intensity. I'm then going to connect, pressing onto the A and B, moving it to B, and then I'm going to start to increase the intensity on B. It's currently on cupping, which is mode number 1, which is very good for after workout, for lactic acid buildup. It's also very good for active recovery, so after workout on your legs and your arms, as you can see, it's giving me a very good pump and also strengthening the muscles at the same time.